It is no doubt that the Ogba people sound like Igbos. I mean, if I speak Ogba right now, an Igbo man will understand 80 to 100% of what I'm saying. But our stand still remains that the Ogba people are not Igbos. History has it that Akalaka was the father of Ogba and Ikwerre, and that means they are brothers. So if you're saying that the Ogbas are Igbos, so that means that the brotherhood between Ogba and Ikwerre did not even exist. And it also means that my ancestors are liars. My great-grandfathers are big liars. But I beg to differ. I believe in their lies, and I would love to dwell in that lies forever. Thank you.
You all have heard what that girl said. She said that Ogba people are not Igbo people, even when they speak Igbo language. Now, Akalaka is the name of their ancestor. Akalaka gave birth to Ogba, Ikwerre, and Iroha, according to them. Iroha is now referred to as Ikwerre, though not all Ikwerre people are descendants of Akalaka. So many Ikwerre people migrated from Arochukwu. There's a man called Ogba. Ogba is from Arochukwu. But today, Ikwerre people are saying that Ogba is not from Arochukwu, but he's from Bini. According to the descendant of Ogba in Ikwerre land today, they said that their ancestor Ogba came from Arochukwu in Abia State. During the genocide against the Igbos, Ikwerre, Ogba, and Ikwerre people came together and adopted this false history that you are seeing today. Before, they don't claim that they are Bini people. Before the genocide against Igbo nation, Ikwerre, Ogba, and Ikwerre people, they don't claim that they are Bini people. They don't claim that Akalaka is a Bini man. They identify as Igbo people in the past. But in order to stay alive, in order to avoid that 20-pound policy, they started denying their Igbo identity. These three people came to a round table and agreed not to ever say that they are Igbo people again. We know the history, you know, hide. They came together and they agreed never to identify as Igbo people. They agreed to identify as Bini people. But the name of their ancestor, Akalaka, betrayed them. When you are lying to a smart, intelligent, and clever person, you are telling the truth at the same time. We know, say, the name of your ancestor, Akalaka. He has a brother called Ochichi. Both names are Igbo names. And you are telling us that both of them are Bini people. You know, should say, you are telling us the truth at the same time. As you lie, they tell us truth join. If you want to lie and tell us that Akalaka is not an Igbo name, Akalaka is a Bini name, show us a Bini person that has Bini father and Bini mother that is bearing Akalaka. You people cannot show us. Show us an Igodomi person today that is bearing Akalaka on an official show us. Show us an Esan person bearing Akalaka on an official show us. Ikwerre, Ogba, and Ikwerre people came together and agreed that this should be the meaning of that name Akalaka. They all agreed that Akalaka means precious cup in Bini language. We have contacted so many Bini people that we know. We asked them, Bini people, what is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language? All of them that we asked are telling us that there is nothing like Akalaka in Bini language, that there is no Bini word called Akalaka. What Bini people have in their dialect is Alakalaka. Alaka. How come are Ikwerre people not calling Akalaka as Alakalaka? How come are Ogba people not calling that their ancestor Akalaka as Alakalaka? How come our Ikwerre people not calling that Akalaka as Alakalaka? Are they now telling us that the three of them don't know the right name of their ancestor? What is the meaning of Akalaka? Destiny. What is the meaning of Ochichi, the brother to Akalaka? Ochichi means ruler, leader. It also means darkness. The name is simple. Akalaka not get cut and join to give a meaning. Now just direct meaning. Akala, Aka. That is the Igbo word for destiny, Akalaka. In Ukwuani, Akalaka means destiny. In Eka, Akalaka means destiny. In Oshima Anocha, Akalaka means destiny. Yet you Ikwerre people are denying it, saying that Akalaka is not an Igbo name, saying that Akalaka means precious cup. Bini people they thought say Akalaka means Ukwuani, that it does not mean precious cup. Una see they force on ourselves. They force lie on Bini people. Una they lie to ourselves. Una constantly they force that lie put for Bini people. Man, they tell them say you people are not Igbo people. That you are Bini people. All those Bini people that are claiming you people, saying that Ikwerre is Bini, Akalaka is a Bini man, Ochichi is a Bini man. They are just claiming you people. How come you Ikwerre people don't have a cabinet in Bini Palace? Make we talk say okay, for Ogba Bini Palace, now here that they keep for Ikwerre people since on history. It does not exist. Some of my Ikwerre and Ikwerre people are saying that the reason why they speak Igbo language is because Akalaka married an Abo woman. Akalaka married an Ndone woman. Lies. Your ancestor Akalaka is an Igbo man. His name is an Igbo name. How come in the history of Ikwerre people, Ikwerre and Ogba people, they claim that Akalaka left Bini kingdom to their present location? But in Bini history, there is nobody called Akalaka that left their kingdom. Ezechime children and descendants in Anyoma and in Onitsha, present-day Anambra State, they said that their ancestor called Ezechime left Bini kingdom to their present location. They said that Ezechime is a chief in the palace of the Ogba of Bini. Bini kingdom also said the same thing, that Ezechime is a chief in Bini royal palace. You see, the two of them are saying the same thing. Bini people have a good history of Ezechime in their midst. They know that Ezechime existed in their midst. They also call him Ezechime. Now Bini revisionists today they talk say Ezechime, the name not be Ezechime now Ikimi, which is a lie and fabrication. They lie a lot. You don't go fit take Bini history, they judge case because now lie that they talk. Almost all their history is filled of lies because they don't want to embrace their Yoruba identity. They came from Yoruba, but they won't stay on their own. They don't say if they identify as Yoruba, say the Ogba of Bini now subject to the Oni of Ife. So they don't want to make something happen. That's why they are lying, rewriting their history. Ezechime said that in Anyoma said that their ancestor's name is Ezechime. He is a chief in Bini royal palace. They said that Ezechime is not a Bini man. He is not a Bini prince. They said that Ezechime married the daughter of the Ogba of Bini then. Ezechime and the Ogba of Bini had an issue, and because of that, the Ogba of Bini started chasing him to kill him. He now ran away from Bini kingdom to his present location. Ezechime settled in Obio and he died in Obio. How come Ikwerre, Ogba, and Ikwerre people are saying that Akalaka is a Bini prince? Akalaka is a member of Bini royal family. Akalaka is this in Bini. Akalaka is that in Bini. But in Bini history, there is no history of anybody called Akalaka that ran away from that place. It's just a Ikwerre, Ogba, and Ikwerre people, you people are just disgracing yourselves. We go see the turn and say, una the lie. You people are lying. And now, una don't destroy this girl brain. She can no longer reason like a human being. Pikin will go come and tell you say, even if her papa dey lie, say she supports that lie where her papa dey lie. That's the way she talk, they very bad. You know that your ancestors are lying, you still support them. As a girl where they grow, come out, ask your ancestors what is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language. Bini people they deny on the force on herself. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? In Bini history, so many Igbo people were captured and they were made slaves in Bini kingdom. So many of those slaves worked hard and the Ogba of Bini gave them freedom and made so many of them chiefs in his cabinet. Go and verify. Look at it here. He made them chiefs in his cabinet. At last, so many of them come, they come out from that kingdom. Then una go come, they talk, say that person na Bini person. If to say una know wetin Bini kingdom do people for that land, una no go come out, they claim say una be Bini people. How come na run Akalaka run come out from Bini? He run come out from Bini. You see the bear Igbo name. He and him brother Igbo names. You people are still speaking that same Igbo language. Akalaka did not come back with any Bini deities. There is nothing Bini in Ikwerre or Ikwerre. How come are you people forcing Bini identity on yourself? Because you don't want to embrace your Igbo identity. You don't want to identify as Igbo people. Shameless people. I not get shame. You don't have shame. See how when I condemn this girl brain, she can't reason. You they see truth, you they hide them because your ancestors tell you. Now this kind of girl, her papa go tell say Nigeria and India play ball. India can score Nigeria 99-0. India can tell Nigeria say if Nigeria go fit score one goal, say Nigeria go carry the cup. Nigeria can score, can carry the cup. Okpara US score the goal, can die. And if this girl can grow, come out today now, can make research, find out say that thing a lie. She no go want give up on that lie. She go talk say as far as say now my papa tell me that thing, my papa no go lie give me. Now truth it be. You see, so many of these children you see online, they don't have sense. Come Ogume, my community. So many of our people are saying that they are Bini people. This same thing where Ikwerre people they suffer today. Now waiting, so many people from my community they suffer today. If you tell them to mention the name of our ancestors in Ogume, all the names they will mention is Igbo name. Odimegu, Chime, Ogwezi, all these names are Igbo names. But because they lack understanding, they don't know that Igbos are part of Idu kingdom. They don't know that that land called Bini today belongs to them. They don't know that Yoruba people from Ile-Ife now called Bini chased them away from that land and they settled in that their present location. They don't know. They thought that because of say you migrate from Bini land, say you can't be Bini person. Our ancestors are bearing Igbo names. How come we Ogume people, we know they speak Bini language, we don't have Bini culture and tradition? Now those things you suppose they ask yourself. How come are we Ogume people not worshipping Bini deities? How come there is no Bini culture and tradition in Ogume land? These are the questions that you people are supposed to be asking yourself. Your ancestors that you say will be Bini people. Wait till be the name of that your ancestor where born on a go mention Igbo name. That thing alone supposed to tell you say this history where on ancestor they tell on say on be Bini people is false. Ogba called the name Akalaka. Ikwerre called the name Akalaka. Ikwerre called the name Akalaka. They still recognize his brother called Onitsha. Is Onitsha Bini name? No. Is Akalaka Bini name? No. This girl not get sense. She don't get sense. Man, I no get no. Picking where they tell you say even if her papa they lie, say she go support her papa. That one don't tell you say this kind girl not go fit make a good mother. It's very bad. Small girl like this. Small girl like this don't they talk about history. You know two get sense, they come online, they talk nonsense. I'm still saying this thing. No historian from Ikwerre or Ikwerre can come out boldly with facts and evidence and prove to us that Akalaka is a Bini man. That historian, no, they make it come out. All the historians from Ogba, Ikwerre and Ikwerre, the only thing that they are saying is Akalaka is a Bini man from Bini royal family. That is the only thing they are saying. Saying how he left Bini to their present location. As they marry women, they go. That is the only thing they say. Tell them to tell the meaning of Akalaka. They go tell you say Akalaka means precious cup. Deceiving themselves. All Ezechime descendants have one meaning to the name Ezechime. If you ask all Ezechime descendants what's the meaning of Ezechime, they will tell you king made by Chi. Ezechime. King made by Chi. That is the meaning of Ezechime. They not get any other meaning for that name. And if you ask Bini people the meaning of Ezechime, they don't know. All over Igbo land, that is the meaning of Ezechime. That is the same way the name Akalaka means destiny all over Igbo land. How come the Akalaka don't have a meaning in Esa language? Akalaka don't have a meaning in Igodomigodo. It has no meaning in Bini language. All the tribes where they are those states, the only place where Akalaka gets meaning now. Igbo speaking people in Edo State, all those Igbo and Keiru and others. Go there, ask them the meaning of Akalaka. They will tell that Akalaka means destiny. If you Ikwerre or Ikwerre people like, keep denying your identity, we go still there here. they puncture on our lives. On our mind no go touch ground. We are ready for you people. Anyhow, on a one day, if you like, make you people day online 200 years they talk. We go still dey online 200 years they talk the same thing. We have devoted our time to counter your lies. So don't think that we will get tired. Na lie. Instead, you are the one to get tired. Your children will see this our videos. All these reasons why they give now, they tell us say you people are not Bini people. Your children will see it. If your children enter YouTube, history of Ogba, history of Ikwerre, history of Ikwerre, they're gonna see all these our videos. A man that I knew very well, who was born and brought up in Bini land, Ukwuani man. Him mama na Bini woman. Him wife also na Bini woman. This man thought say there is no Bini word called Akalaka. My course base where be Bini people, I don't ask them what is the meaning of Akalaka. They thought say there's no word in Bini language called Akalaka. And I ask them what is the meaning of precious cup, what is the meaning of precious vessel. All of them are saying Ukwuani. Ikwerre, Ikwerre and Ogba people are busy disgracing themselves online, talking rubbish. We are not Igbo people, we are Bini people. Ikwerre man, but we are not get shame. Denying your identity because of politics. Damaging the brains of your children. Innocent children. Just see this girl as she look innocent, but her brain, when I don't damage her brain, she not get sense again. A child that will tell you that if her father is lying, that she will support her father, that she prefers to believe the lies of her father. Fear. Only for joy. When I don't turn this girl to Ozwai. Ogba people are Igbo people. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. There is no amount of lie that these three people will tell that will change their history from Igbo to Bini. People will say, you don't have the right to tell people their history. If I know your history, I don't know your history because I don't know your history. If you are lying, I will be telling you that you are lying. The name of your ancestor cannot be an Igbo name, and you will be deceiving yourself, lying to yourself, telling yourself that your ancestor's name is not Igbo, that your ancestor's name is a Bini name. It's a lie. The descendant of Ezechime is an Igbo person. The descendant of Akalaka and Ochiche are Igbo people. The name of your ancestor determines where you belong. If the name of your ancestor is Odume, you are an Igbo person. In Ukwuani land, Odume means lion. If the name of your ancestor is Ago, you are an Igbo person. Ago means leopard. If to say Ago migrates from Bini, Ago is not a Bini man. Ago is an Igbo man, indigenous in Idu kingdom. Ezechime migrated from Bini. Ezechime is not a Bini man. Ezechime is an Igbo man, indigenous in Idu kingdom. Ezemu that founded Ubuluku, he is not a Bini man. He is an Igbo man. The brother of Ezemu all bear Igbo names. Ezemu brothers. One they answer Obodo and so on. They are all Igbo people. Go to Ubuluku, call them Bini people. They will say we not be Bini people. Ezemu our father not be Bini person. Ezemu existed during the 1200s. He existed 900 years ago. In Ukwuani, we bear Ezemu. Say your ancestor migrate from Yoruba. Now the name you go dey look. If you get person who migrate from Idu kingdom, the name na Dewale, na Yoruba person. So the name of your ancestor determines where he belong. The culture, tradition, language of your ancestor determines where he belong. Ogba, Ikwerre, and Ikwerre people are Igbo people. They are not Bini people. If they like, let them lie from now till tomorrow. We will keep telling them to their faces that they are lying and their lies will never take them anywhere. They are Igbo people and Igbo they shall remain. Ikwerre.